This video has been edited to add screenshot instructions of how to create an HTML document on a Mac. Two different ways of creating HTML documents on Macs will be shown in silence. Immediately following will be verbal instructions. Verbal instructions are primarily for those who need to create HTML documents on a Mac using the additional steps. Need help creating an HTML document on your Mac? I sure did when I switched from Windows. I searched the boards for hours and hours trying to find a solution. Eventually, I was able to put bits and pieces of information together and figure it out for myself. So I created this video to help others so you won't have to spend hours and hours on the boards looking for answers the way that I did. To begin, you'll have to set your preferences to plain text. Do this by clicking on TextEdit from the Launchpad or the dock. Then click TextEdit in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Then scoot down and choose Preferences from TextEdit. In Preferences, the first bold-faced title you will see is Format. Under this title, 3 options with radio buttons are listed as ways to format documents. Tap the radio button next to plain text if it is not already selected as the default setting. If it is set, the TextEdit program on your computer is already prepared to create HTML documents, so you can simply exit Preferences and move on with the rest of the steps. Once the plain text setting is selected as the formatting default, go to Launchpad and choose TextEdit so that you can create and save a TextEdit document. When you do that, you will see at the top of the document the title extension is set to .txt, as noted with a red arrow in the video example above. TextEdit on Mac is programmed to save these documents with the .txt extension. The .txt extension, of course, is what needs to be changed to .html in order to publish coded documents as web pages and post them to the internet. Now it's time to change TXT to HTML. To change the extension from .txt to .html, first open Finder and search for the document you just created. Once you find the document, notice the .txt in the document's title. Tap the document title and you will see the background turns golden colored. Tap the colored area and the title will become highlighted, but the .txt extension will not. Now type HTML in place of TXT and then press Enter or tap the cursor arrow outside of the title box. Notice that the box turns golden again. Now click Enter or tap the page again and watch the document title extension change from .txt to .html. Click the document again to save it. A box will appear asking if you want to keep the .txt or use .html. Choose .html. Success! Your document is now ready for the World Wide Web. To view your document, open an internet browser, Firefox for example, click on File, and then click Open File. Once the file box opens, search for your HTML document. When you find the document, click it and it will open in your web browser. Here is the document I created using TextEdit and HTML on my Mac for this demonstration. Note that you can also use these instructions to create .htm documents. All you have to do is when you save the document, save it with .htm and leave out the L at the end of the extension. Also note that in order to see your document on the World Wide Web, you will need to upload it to a server. Thanks for watching. If these instructions helped you, please like and favorite to help someone else. Comments appreciated as well.